Hey everyone, so today we're going to make lemon poppy seed loaf. It's another quick, great one bowl recipe. Put the dry, put the wet together, mix it all up, put it in this loaf pan. You can also do it as muffins if you'd like, but I like it as the loaf in this case. So I've prepped that with some butter and some flour just to make sure that when you cut them out later, it doesn't stick. And the other option that I'm actually going to do is to add the syrup to that. So I'll show you that when we get to that step. First step, mix the butter with the sugar with the eggs. The next 5 ingredients are your flour, poppy seeds, lemon rind, and I always add a little bit of extra because I love lemon rind, the baking powder, and the salt. So we're going to mix all of that before we add the final ingredient, which is your milk. Mixed without milk. Mixed well with the milk. Ready to go. Beautiful looking cake batter in the pan that we prepared earlier. And we're going to bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes or so. Again, same poke test just to make sure that whatever you're poking, like the toothpick, comes out clean. That's when you know it's done. And remember, don't forget to lick the spatula before you wash it. All right, let's get this into the oven. See you later. And in the meantime, we're going to do the 1/3 cup of sugar with just squeezing the hell out of that lemon that you used for the lemon rind. Just put the whole thing in there and get it to a boil. Make sure all the sugar dissolves. Essentially, you're making a simple syrup. So make that in the meantime and just put it to the side as it's baking. So see you in about 40 minutes, which in this case is 0 time. Done. There you have it, the finished product. Looks beautiful with that crack and the poppy seeds showing. So nice. So what I'm going to do is poke a bunch of holes, just as many as you can. And then with the spoon, kind of slowly add the simple syrup. Make sure everything is filled up and that it absorbs really well. So in this case, the best case scenario is to make this the night before and let it sit overnight. Let everything absorb and then cut into it the next day. Oh, so yummy. You're going to love it. I know Jesse really loves this one too. And enjoy the recipe. Make it. Share it with your friends. See how they like it. And let us know what you think. See you next Tuesday.